Hey everybody, Brent from Brent Speed. As always, thanks for watching Brent Speed TV. It's a 20 GT today. We installed the Roush Phase 2 Supercharger. You know, I was thinking something cool about this. So I have a 19 convertible. This is a 20, and I'm running the Roush Phase 2 as well. The car runs 10s in the quarter mile. I will put a link to that video at the end of this one, so you can click on it and watch that happen. But here's what I was thinking. Okay, a new GT500, factory, supercharged Mustang, about $100,000. So the cool thing about this is you can buy your normal GT. This one's an automatic. We're running 93 octane. Install the Roush Phase 2, 750 horsepower, 10-second car, and it includes from Roush 3-year, 36,000 mile drivetrain warranty. So we're going to go down, take a look at the engine compartment. We are, of course, going to watch a dyno pull, laying down well over 600 roll horsepower. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, speaking of GT500s, here's the deal. If you've got $100,000 for one of those, I love those cars. That is the one to get. But let's say you don't. You got maybe $50,000. You want to buy a GT, add a blower. Here you go. Doug, take a look. It's the Roush intercooled Phase 2 Superchargers. They come in a Phase 1 or a Phase 2. Skip right to the Phase 2. You still get the drivetrain warranty. It's intercooled. You get the awesome air induction system, new fuel injectors, and it bolts on. It's a complete kit. We keep these in stock. We can ship them right to your door. We install these here at Brent Speed all the time. You simply email quote@brentspeed.com and say, hey, what's that cost to get installed? But that's the only mod on this car right here. So you have the Phase 2 Roush. That's it. There's a lot of other things you can do, like headers. I love cooling mods. But the only thing today is the Phase 2 Supercharger. Check out this dyno pull. All right, here's the numbers. DynoJet SAE. This is pretty typical of these kits. 647 roll horsepower through the auto, 6,800 RPM, killer torque, 552, peaking at 5,200 RPM. Now, the great thing about the Roush, a lot of people are like, why do you like those? Well, I like the instant torque. I like the second you go wide open throttle, achieving pretty much full boost right away, having torque right away. The car feels really, really fast. I'll tell you what, my 19 doesn't have this right here. I think I'm gonna have to install that. I love the bar on there. But that's really on the exterior standpoint, the only mod to this right here. So I need that. I've already got the Roush. And guess what? Today in Indiana, it's gonna be 71 degrees. That means spring is right around the corner. About time to get my car out of storage. So hey, I'm Brent from Brent Speed. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Happy to answer. Quote@brentspeed.com is how you find out what it costs to get this installed. And in the description, if you click on it, I'll put a link to this kit. You can check out the price. And keep in mind, keep them in stock. Ship it right to your door and come in for an install. Thanks for watching.